One of the main challenges faced in the process industry is that asset data tends to be stored and transferred across different applications, files, and spreadsheets. Doing this causes asset data to become scattered and increases the risk of the data becoming misaligned and outdated. Additionally, because data is scattered over departments and applications, not everyone has access to the latest and most up-to-date asset data. So whenever someone needs asset data to decide or complete an asset-related task, instead of trusting the data they do have access to, it becomes a necessity to recreate the data. This reduces collaboration and in turn increases the time and money spent on projects found across the entire asset lifecycle. We have a software solution to ensure that every asset data found in different sources are connected, up to date, and shared with everyone. We call it Plant4D. There will no longer be a need to transfer asset data from one phase of the asset lifecycle to the other. Asset data is up to date, aligned, and available to everyone in Plant4D's one common view. Need better control of your data in the asset lifecycle? Plant4D connects every data source, such as your computerized maintenance management system, to update every piece of asset data. Require validated data to do your work and increase productivity? Every department across the asset lifecycle, such as engineering and maintenance, will have access to one common view, consisting of the most up-to-date asset data. You need an overview of your whole plant? Our smart 2D diagrams and 3D models will visualize as-built situations of your entire site with just one click. This allows stakeholders from different phases of the asset lifecycle to provide input on the designs. Want to link reports and certificates to your assets? We have a document management system that allows you to enrich your asset data with reports, certificates, and photos. Expanding your site? Plant4D enables users to design and visualize assets using 2D diagrams and 3D models as well. It really is just as easy as that. Plant4D is the solution to improve control over the asset data throughout the entire asset lifecycle, and increase collaboration and productivity. Discover Plant4D today.